spit down there.
Hey, where's the big ones?
What's up, guys? TNT Outdoors back.
Hey.
And today we're just doing a little creek fishing by our local school.
Our local school for the waterways. Hey, what's the thing you're using, Trevor?
You missed. I caught one.
What are you using right now?
I caught the back of a little Cinco.
Little grub? Oh,
Yeah.
a Cinco?
Yeah.
I feel you. Just jigging across the bottom, huh?
No, I'm just letting it float downstream.
Till one hits it.
See.
Alrighty. Get back to you when we catch one. Oh yeah. Got the aerial view. What? Making a video. Where are the big ones at? Throw them in. Look at these. Is this where you caught the last one?
Yeah. Pretty much that.
Alright boys, we just swapped up bait to a wormy. We're about to slock one, fellas. Oh, we're there for stuff. Good, Drake. We're about to leave. Pick up.
Oh my.
You had one. You saw that? Oh, you lost your bait.
Yeah.
Yeah, I guess that's on the one. Oh, Brooks here. That's unfortunate. Guys, we're about to get one. Yo, you got one, Trevor. You got one. You got him. Got him. Got him. Got him. Got him. Got him. Get him on the ground. Get him. What is that, Trevor?
It's a little minnow.
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 Take him off. Take him off. Take him off. Hold him up.
Oh my God, his face is messed up.
Take him. Yo, that's.
Wow, look at it.
Go back in.
What is that? A tadpole?
Okay. Oh. Got him. Got him. Hang on, we gotta get hard up there. Alright guys, just caught this fat little creek chub right here. Let's caught him right at this little creek. Put him back in, see if we can get another. Okay. Okay. There we go. Oh shoot. There goes the line. Idiot. Oh no. Oh no. No, God, chill. I got my phone in my pocket. Run, for real, chill. Run, good. You get that on video? Yeah, I got that on video. Oh, you got your line. That's going on his YouTube. Yeah. Fine. Alright guys, thanks for the video. First fish of the season. We'll see y'all later.
Please like and subscribe. Peace.